Is XRP a good investment these days? Does the price of this digital asset show any signs of going higher? What are the features that could contribute to this? Can XRP hit the $500 mark? Find out this and much more by staying tuned to this video and watching it till the very end. Ripple has been marketing itself through its association with several corporations across various industries. It's because of these collaborations, in addition to the ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, the price of XRP has been going high and is expected to reach 500 very soon. Hi investors, welcome back to Daily Crypto Facts. If you want to invest and fill your mind with the right information, you're at the right place. In this video, we will analyze, is Ripple XRP booming currently? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get big updates about stocks and cryptocurrencies. XRP is one of the earliest and foremost cryptocurrencies launched as a technology that serves as both a crypto asset and a digital payment network for cross-border transactions back in 2012. Ripple has since partnered with several financial institutions, banks, and non-banks. It's recently teamed up with other nonprofit energy-conserving corporations such as Renewable Energy Buyers Alliance, Rocky Mountain Institute, Energy Web, and Watershed to show how a large blockchain platform can switch to a zero-carbon footprint. XRP's association with these organizations is undoubtedly going to see its price reaching above $500 in no time. The RippleNet protocol was designed to make global financial transactions more sophisticated with less cost and high speed. XRP can be used as an inter-exchange mediator to bridge traditional fiat currencies and crypto assets. During its launch and up until recently, XRP has surged all the way, hitting an all-time high of $3.84 on January 4, 2018. Ripple doesn't challenge the traditional banking system as other blockchain-based solutions do. Instead, Ripple was intended to be incorporated into the conventional financial world to facilitate its entire process. And when it comes to cross-border transactions on a bank-to-bank level, Ripple is still the #1 choice for settling such payments. One of the primary reasons for the not-so-recent and relentless rally over the last few weeks before the worldwide crypto dip. As the price of XRP continues to soar higher, many crypto analysts have given out predictions that would see the price of this digital asset hit tens of thousands of dollars. And when everyone is looking to shift their focus away from Bitcoin, following Elon Musk dropping it as a Tesla payment option due to its high carbon emission rate, XRP stands an even greater chance of superseding Bitcoin to become the future currency of Earth. This was also hinted at by Elon in yet another tweet while making vague references to Dogecoin, which we all know does not possess the necessary utility to fit that description. Not to mention that there is not yet a single incentive to take responsibility for the carbon footprint, because the energy consumption and emission produced during Bitcoin and Ethereum mining is a colossal waste. Adding to its growth, Ripple has entered into several partnerships since the beginning of the year, partnering with some of the most prominent endorsers for the mainstream adoption of its native XRP token, considering its high sustainability and other things. High net worth investors, capital investors, and institutional money have been seen to pump more funds into developing and expanding the outreach of XRP. According to recent reports from the digital asset investment strategy firm CoinShares, high-profile investors are now buying into XRP. Following this publication, the London-based investment advisory firm had hinted that only last month, vast sums of money ranging to about $33 million were invested into the token, increasing its year-to-date inflow to nearly $40 million. XRP's use cases will see explosive gains in the digital asset price not too long from now. Since its inception sometime in 2017, the Wanchain team has pioneered widespread blockchain adoption through interoperability, building fully decentralized bridges and connecting the numerous siloed blockchain networks. They've created a world-class interoperability framework based upon blockchain technology, connecting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, and Wanchain. In a bid to extend its network, the team recently announced that XRP token holders can now put their XRP to work and engage with the world's many DeFi applications. By the first quarter of 2021, Wanchain had launched the world's foremost decentralized Bitcoin to Ethereum direct bridge. Afterwards, releasing a decentralized and direct bridge to connect the Binance Smart Chain to that of the Ethereum blockchain. And most recently, the team with the slogan "True DeFi is interoperable" reported that cross-chain bridges connecting the XRP ledger with that of OneChain and Ethereum are now live and operational in each of these blockchains' main nets. Although numerous blockchain-based startups had earlier proposed crypto-based global payments and peer-to-peer digital cash solutions such as other fintech companies based out of the US like Abra, BitSpark in Hong Kong, BitPesa from Kenya, and OKCoin of China, Ripple still leads the way by a wide margin due to its low cost and high speed of transaction, while XRP is yet to be affected. Everything is slowly coming together to impact the adoption of XRP massively. With institutions such as the World Economic Forum, the International Monetary Fund, the EU Commission, and the World Bank on board actively endorsing XRP as the world's future currency. So, is Ripple a good investment as one of the most significant growth drivers in all of the blockchain industry? Owning some XRP tokens is invariably a good investment, as a single XRP token will soon be over $500, and in no time ranging to thousands of dollars. Besides the company's litigation with the US SEC, Ripple serves as a bridge between currencies. It accommodates both traditional fiat currencies and does not differentiate between one cryptocurrency and another. The RippleNet's platform leverages the flaws that conventional banks have attributed. Transactions are settled in seconds. A minimal asset exchange and transaction rate make it a better option than the existing system supplies. Compared to the high rates charged by these banks, the minimum cost of transaction on the Ripple network is set at only a fraction of an XRP token, and as such, there are a lot of benefits attached to investing in XRP. Many cryptocurrency analysts think Ripple's on-demand liquidity and underlying protocol have great potential, thereby bringing its XRP token to the attention of new and established traders. This would bring about mainstream adoption while creating an avenue for the influx of more institutional money. Despite an increased rally in the price of the XRP token since the beginning of the year, it's still trading below the $2 mark, which is essentially insignificant compared to its proposed $500 price tag. With a market cap that has risen to almost $80 billion and presently housing a $52 billion market share, XRP sits at the number 6 position on the world's most significant cryptocurrency chart. A huge market share is an excellent sign to bolster investor confidence, making the asset more resistant to the volatile market cycles and dips, as seen with XRP during the week-long downward trend caused by the recent price corrections in the market. It suffices to note that XRP is more than just a cryptocurrency asset or technology. It's a full-fledged financial technology company with over 500 full-time employees, including public relations personnel and market experts, who are constantly working to promote the technology to banks, non-banks investors, new users, and the general public. So, what's your take on this? Do you think Ripple XRP will help investors gain massive returns? Let us know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking for real and smart cryptocurrencies updates.